What we do here, we're what you call a job shop, a contract manufacturer. We'll make anything.
Manufacturing can be very sexy, and you can have a very lucrative career.
I have taken many people with no experience.
How you can just take metal and just have instant gratification because it's whatever you think of, you can make.
I didn't really have much experience in manufacturing when I came in here.
Just learning all the different processes and how to make different things and how different things that I've taken for granted and used in everyday life.
So we're going to give you a look inside at how this stuff is made, and hopefully you can learn something.